Okay, so they crashed into the brick wall. We just got here. Tight. I wonder how much that's gonna cost.
Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang. Uh-oh.
Okay, little Josh. What does Flavor Express mean to you?
I don't know. Sounds like ice cream.
Me and little Josh are here at Flavor Express. Josh thinks Flavor Express sounds like ice cream. Comment down below what you think Flavor Express is.
Of course.
What does Flavor Express mean to you?
You know, it's just like being here, everybody's flavors mixing together, you know, you take in the flavor, you know, and it's present.
That's a good answer.
Yeah. Going on. Nice shirt. Hey, nice shirt.
What does Flavor Express mean to you?
Breaking your shit constantly, apparently.
Panda Express.
Uber Eats right here.
Dude, you must really like pandas.
I like it. Yeah, I do.
Anyways, what does Flavor Express mean to you?
Flavor Express, tastes good.
Flavor Express means an explosion of flavor and every goodness, delicious taste of drifting.
Flavor Express, what does that mean to you? Place to go and rip it up, have fun. Yeah.
Cool.
Probably like spices or something.
Spices.
Yeah, like
okay,
flavors,
okay.
you know?
Excuse me, lady. What does Flavor Express mean to you? Okay.
To me, it's just, isn't there a movie, Pineapple Express?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, it reminds me of the movie.
Savage
I'm not even sure.
Flavor Express, like
Ice
truck
cream,
drifting.
ice cream?
Truck drifting.
Ice cream?
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Same.
Ice cream truck?
Ice cream, yeah.
I think it's time for another beer and shade hat. Beer and shade hat. Oh, backwards entry. All right. Hello, sir.
Hello.
What does Flavor Express mean to you?
I don't really have idea. I just came to see her 86.
Oh, okay. Okay, but what do you think of when you hear Flavor Express?
I don't really know the meaning of it.
Hold on, Steph. You have a fan. You have a fan.
Oh my God.
Say hi. Go take a picture.
¿Qué pasó?
Hey, ¿qué pasó?
¡Eh, modelo!
¿Qué onda, güey? We just did a 360.
Yeah. Flavor Express. Okay, like a train. I mean, I see the website.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a train. Flavor Express. I don't know what they're going for, but
Yeah, what do you think? What do you think of though when you hear Flavor Express?
Flavor Express. The taste of tires as they're going through. You know? As a
I can
train,
taste
like,
it.
It's a freight train, but we're tasting it. You can't feel it on the camera, but
Yeah, yeah. I mean, look,
But
this
just
would be the
believe it.
spot to taste
Yeah,
it.
this will be the spot to taste dirt.
This
and
is where
tire.
all the Flavor Express is,
Yeah,
right here.
There you go.
All you can eat.
All you can eat. Look at the crowd
so
killer.
was that Flavor Express that passed by?
No. You gotta see some JDM vehicles.
Okay,
That's
okay.
American hamburger right there.
American hamburger.
Yeah, Mustang.
Yes. Not even cheeseburger, just hamburger.
Yeah, it's a hamburger, dude. That's more like
Okay.
it.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, crowd killer.
Yeah.
Flavor Express means you need to get out of here and put it on the track.
¿Conoces manejar stick shift?
Sí.
¿Sí? ¿Tenemos una drift car?
¿Mande?
¿Tenemos una drift car?
Yeah, 350Z.
350Z, okay. Chingón. Are V8s Flavor Express?
Depends. It depends.
If it's okay, V8's in an S chassis, is that Flavor Express?
No, it's not. I mean, torque is good.
Yeah.
I understand that, but it's something about an SR, man. It's just pure.
Yeah.
It goes with the car.
It was made for the car.
I mean,
yeah.
It was designed, engineered for it.
Yes, yes.
No fuck with it.
Okay. How about JZ's? 1 JZ, 2 JZ in an S chassis. Is that Flavor Express?
Belongs in a Toyota, man.
Okay, I like that answer. It does belong in a Toyota. So what's the translation for Flavor Express in Spanish? How would you say that? How do you translate that?
Flavor Express. Tu sabor rápido.
Tu sabor rápido. Your flavor
Tu
fast.
sabor.
Your flavor is
Tu sabor
fast.
I think Flavor Express is like something fancy going really fast.
Okay.
And-
Just thinking of the word Flavor Express. What do you think?
Fucking
of?
happiness.
Happiness.
Hell yeah.
Hold on. Hey, is this Flavor Express? Right here, is this Flavor Express?
Fuck yeah, dude!
But it's Toyota and it's a V8.
That's flavor.
But he's my buddy, so I had to like.
Alright, cool, man.
Fucking badass. Let's go drifting.
Badass, let's go drifting. When you hear the words Flavor Express, what comes to your mind?
I thought of a vape company.
Okay, yeah.
I think of like candy and ice cream, but you know, I don't know what it means. Express your inner flavor.
What? It means Thomas the Train. Flavor Express. Thomas the Train.
Hop on the Flavor Express,
Okay,
right?
so we're gonna ask and get the real meaning of Flavor Express after asking hundreds of people. Flavor Express.
It was a nonsensical name that I made back in the day. One of my good friends did have a vape shop. It moved on to the cannabis. It was for about 2-3 years. We were doing CBD seeds, like low THC content, very high CBD content, to help kids with fucking.
For the cause.
Yeah, man.
All right, thanks, Rob. Any shout outs? Flavor Express, shout outs.
Shout out to all my friends who come and continue to support me. That's really what I'm so glad that all you guys keep coming out and keep supporting me. Thank you so much.
That's a lot of pressure.
What do you think of?
I think there's gonna be a lot of flavor involved in something. I think of food. I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
Food and drift party. Definitely. Send it. Yeah.
All right, Flavor Express.
Fast flavor, man.
Fast flavor. Oh,
Really good weed.
yes.
Fun event.
Flavor Express. I think of a nice ass day of drifting.
Okay. It's good. Yeah.
Means only good times. Only good times.
Okay.
No bad times.
Oh, it's good times, man. Hanging out with family and cool people, dude.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you.
I love it. I love it.
You defined it right there. What does wheel hop mean to you? Okay. All right.
When the rear of your car, insert footage. When it goes like, I don't even know how to explain it, but like your rear of the car, instead of it having, you know, it goes. It's
So-
like it's like your rear skipping.
Okay, so is
It's
it
like-
better or worse?
I removed the traction brackets and it still feels like shit. So I don't think the traction brackets had anything to do with it. I think I'm low on power, and it's not helping me. Does that make sense?
Yeah. When you check the timing, did you jump the connector? Full arm, right? So the rear trailing arm is down. When it's pointed up, that changes everything, changes geometry. So when you put on the actual traction brackets, you're gonna lower that mounting point down, and it's gonna be in the natural curve. All right, second thing, your bushings. Your trailing arm and four-link bushings are probably shot. So what happens is your rear ends are shaking and all the power is being absorbed in the bushings.
And he has Crocs.
Oh shit! Damn! Patriotic Crocs.
Kind of fresh off the boat.
Dang. Representing.
The Crocs and the glasses. My man
Styling.
is fly.
Oh dang,
He's so
2050. 2050 is on it.
Yo.
I told you, don't come around here with your nonsense again.
Ah! All right.
I'll banish you.
Hey, real question though.
What's
real
up?
question.
Yeah.
Hey, both of you.
What's
real
up?
question.
What you need?
Hey. So what do you guys think of when you hear the words Flavor Express?
I actually think I like a buffet. Like I want to get some good ass food.
I like that answer.
I thought they had seasonings here. I thought I was prepared for paprika, some type of culinary arts.
Maybe some oregano. You know, so what do you think of when you hear Flavor Express?
Exactly. Fast food, fast times, hot chicks and hot chicken.
Party time. Absolute party time.
Yeah?
I'm scared.
Well, the whole internet is watching you. A lot of people got this wrong. They want to pour it this way. What we're gonna do is turn it this way. That's it. No funnel needed, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Why is your car making funny noises?
Do you hear it? It's like...
You probably have your belt. Check if your alternator is gonna fall off again.
I don't think my car needs beer though.
Alright, so that's the end of the day. We're here. We got these white bags. My hat flew off. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. We're done. That's it. Comment down below and tell me what you think Flavor Express means to you.